Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Klarna's saving feature. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Klarna's savings feature, then this video is for you. It's gonna be a quick one, just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get that done. So let's not waste any more time, let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do, of course, is to log into your Klarna account. You can log into the mobile app, or you can log in through the website. Now once you're logged into your account, just go to the savings tab, and then once you're there, you can set up your savings goals as well as the target amount for your savings, and then you're gonna make deposits into your savings account to fund that goal. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Klarna's savings feature. Hope you guys liked the video, hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.